Okay, good morning, dear students. Yesterday, we were doing active-passive voice of interrogative type. And I taught you only present indefinite, past indefinite, and future indefinite simple rules I have discussed with you. Then we have done practice of interrogative sentences only of present indefinite. Okay. So today we will be doing practice of past indefinite interrogative sentences. So first of all, try to recall whatever I have taught you yesterday about past indefinite tense. What do we use in past indefinite tense? In past indefinite, what do we use? What are you saying? I'm asking, what do you use in past indefinite? And when we change into active to passive, then was, were plus third form plus were. Isn't it? Was, were plus third form it is used. So try to learn this rule. Try to learn this rule. Learn it thoroughly. When this rule will be clear, only then you will be able to understand next one. So this rule is clear. After this period, now you can distribute these tests. Take. So this rule is clear. Write down this rule in your notebooks and revise it thoroughly. Today again, I will be calling any of the child to write on the blackboard. So be prepared for that. Those who are still talking in my class, they will be specially called to write down. So simple rule that if second form is given and you want to change active to passive, you will be using was, were plus third form plus by. So now I'm going to take some of the interrogative sentences of past indefinite. So start writing. And there should be pin drop silence in my class. And please tell me who is whispering in between and creating disturbance. First of all, you will do practice of all these sentences in your rough notebook. We will discuss each and every answer. We will discuss each and every rule. Then you are supposed to do the same work in fair notebook at home. So what was done yesterday? Have you done in your fair? Sure. Okay. Did you take breakfast? In active passive, what happens? Subject becomes object and object becomes subject. So here, what is object? So breakfast will become subject. And you is a subject. It will become object. And what is the helping verb? Did. So did will change into was or were according to subject. And this was and were will be written in the beginning. Because interrogative sentences, it will remain interrogative. Only subject will become object and object will become subject. Think this is object. This is, so this subject will become object and this object will become subject. And take is a verb and this verb, take third form will be taken. And did, it will be written was or were. So for breakfast, it is was or were? Was. So was breakfast taken by you. And in place of question mark, it will remain same. Clear? So first sentence is clear to you. Now solve second sentence in your notebooks. And I can call any of the child to write it on the blackboard. So you should be well prepared for that. You should be well prepared for that. Okay, did he not like me? For that, this girl, come. Did he not like me? What is object here? What is object here? So me will change into and according to he will change into he. Yes. So what will be correct answer? Was I not liked by him? Clear? Okay, for third, why did you beat your son? Why did you beat your son? See, when WH kind of sentences, interrogative sentences are given, so this WH will remain in the beginning same. WH will remain same in the beginning, and why, what, where, who, whose, how, it will be written in the beginning. After that, helping verb. Okay, then you will make subject into object and object into subject. For example, why did you beat your son? So why will After writing by, think about your son is a object. So this object will come in the beginning here, subject, and you here is a subject, and this subject will be written at last as a object. Okay, and with your son we will be using was or were. Now think and frame. You people will be framing. I will not write down the answer. You will solve on your own, and I can ask any of the child to come here and write on the blackboard. Follow the rule that I have discussed with you in class. Clear? With did, it is used first form. Who called your names? So called is a past tense, second form. Why was your son bitten by you? Very good. Your name is Ritisha. Very good. After that, Lakshay, you come. Wait. Now this is a different kind of sentence. Wait. When such kind of sentences come that starts with who, so there is a rule that you have to learn. Who called your names? Whenever who is given, so who will change into by whom. In the beginning, what will be written? By whom. Now what is object? Your names. So with your names, we will be using was or were. By whom were your names called? Third form will be called. By whom were your names called? Okay. By whom were your names called? Now for Lakshay, next come. What did I not do for him? Try. What you have written, right? Was in place of did, was written. With that, not will be written. Was not. Likho not. So do third form will be. Do third form will be. Write down. Done. For him will be written same. Write down. Then question mark. Yes. So what was not done for him by me? Clear? Next. Where did you find this pen? Last boy. Do this. ये क्या किया है? योर नेम इज, इसको रब करो. इट इज रॉन्ग. वेयर वॉज तक ठीक है, उसके बाद क्या आएगा? पिकअप. दिस पेन इज अ, दिस पेन इज अ ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट विल बिकम, बस दिस पेन का दिस पेन हो जाएगा.
मैंने दिस पेन लिखा था.
लिखो. Where was this pen? Then find third form will be by. You will become I. You will remain same you. Where was this pen found by you? He was saying this pen will become that pen. Why you people have such kind of confusion that this changes into that? Tell me. Because you mix rules of narration and voice together. That's why this happens. Why are you changing this to that? These are the rules of active passive. This pen will remain this pen. Okay. So why was this pen found by you? Here is a subject and here it will become as a object. Clear? Sit down. So where was this pen found by you? So these sentences you have written. Done. Now recall rule of future indefinite. In future indefinite, what do we use? Will, shall plus first form. And when we change active to passive, then what? Will be, shall be plus verb, third form plus by. So now I'm going to give you some of the sentences of future indefinite and I want each and every student do it very, very carefully. Simple. Subject will become object. Object will become subject. Verb, first form will change into verb and WH will remain same. Now what is the problem? Why do you commit mistake then? Huh? Start writing. I gave you time to talk. Okay. Now try to do these sentences. Keep your hands down. I can ask any of the child. Let me take a round and see what the people are doing. Online students, also keep your cameras on. Online students, keep your cameras on and show me your notebook. What have you written? Both of you now, sit here. Come forward. You are failing that 5 marks English test. What will you do in your paper? Tell me. Only Vaibhav is keeping his camera on. What about others? It means others are not attentive. I am not going to mark them present. Tarun, Shriya, Jasmeet, Janvi, Akshit. If you don't keep your camera on, I will not mark you a present. Only Vaibhav is a sincere one in an online class. He has shown me his notebook. What about others? Okay, mark absent of Tarun, Shriya, Jasmeet and Janvi. They are not present in English class. They are physically present, but mentally they are not present. They are not showing their notebook. It means they have kept their mobiles on, but they are somewhere. This Janvi, Jasmeet, Shriya and Tarun will be marked absent by me today. Okay. Vaibhav, you tell me first answer. Will you call me? Tell me first answer. Now, when I asked him question, connection was lost. It happens. Okay. This boy, come. Will you call me? Try to do write down in place of will same. कोशिश तो करो करने की. समझ नहीं आया मेरा पढ़ाया हुआ. लिखो will लिखो पहले. Now what is subject, what is object? Mark here. इसमें subject और object क्या है? उसके ऊपर मार्क करो ना. मी क्या है? हाँ. Okay. And you mark. Keep silence. Those who are talking, I'm going to call only those students, those who are talking in my class. So it is subject object. Okay. Object will become और subject will become बनाओ फिर. We will change it to me will change into me will change into he doesn't know. Then write down I. Then add B. Call third form will be then बाय किससे लगा रहा है? What will be correct answer? Will I be called by? In place of will, you can here write down shall also, because with I we are supposed to use shall. So shall I be called by you? This girl, you come. This answer is correct. Tell me, what has she written? It is correct. So find out mistake in that. With will, you are supposed to write and be here. With will, क्या लिखना है आपने पहले? कितनी बार बताऊं कि this is called subject and this is called object will change into. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है? Subject. Will you? B will be written after subject. Will you be not helped by? He will change into. You are not following the rules. That's why you are not able to do. Will you not be helped by him? Will you not be helped by him? Clear? Will you not be helped by him? Next, when will you throw the ball? This girl. Those who are not keeping their cameras on from online class will not be marked present. Because I don't know, I am not aware what online students are doing in my class. What are they doing? Are they writing or not? So how can I give you marks? How can I mark you present? When will you throw the ball? When will the ball be thrown by you? Very good. Very nice. No. After when, according to rule, you have to use helping verb. So when she has done a correct, after when helping verb, then subject. then B, then third form, then you. So when will the ball be thrown by you? Next, why will she not pay the fine? Rivia. When will she not pay the fine? Sorry, why will she not pay the fine? You can write down here also. Now tell me where to put B. And what will be the spellings of paid? Pay, third form is paid. Then correct. When will the fine not be paid by her? Paid, write down the spellings of paid carefully. It is P-A-I-D. Why will the fine not be paid by her? Clear? So write down by her, P-A-I-D. Will you invite me on your birthday? Tell me, will you invite me on your birthday? Will I be? Will? Me will change into I. Will I be invited on your birthday party by you? Will I be invited by you on your birthday party? That can also be written in the last. So yes, it can be done with shall also. Shall I be invited by you? Shall I be invited by you on your party? On your birthday party, you are supposed to write down at last. So this is done. You will be doing it in your fair notebook. And bring your supplementary books tomorrow.